Hi guys, just want to take you through the operation of the tilt and turn. At the moment it's shut and locked with the handle at a 6 o'clock position. So we turn it back to 3 and it opens on its hinges. Down here we've got the lever that operates the multi-point locking on the slave door. Pop that back up and that opens out. Shut it again, bring it back to position, bring it down. Back to 6 o'clock. To operate the tilt feature, we're going to bring it back around up to 12 o'clock. And that operates the tilt. Very important that if you want to open it up again, you must push the top back into position and then bring it to 3 o'clock to open on the hinges. Very important. To lock the door, it's a simple button that pushes in with this key. Quarter turn to the right clockwise and that pops it back out again and then it's operating. Thanks a lot.